Hi friends, the purpose of this video today is to tell you how to access Talking CRS on eMedicoz app. So first of all, you need to download this app from your app store or your Play Store, and this is available both on Android and iOS, called as eMedicoz. And when you click on the login button here, you will see a page like this where either you can sign up as a user or you will see a DAMS logo there. Let me help you to find the DAMS logo here. So once you see the DAMS logo here, you click on this DAMS logo and you will be seeing a window where you can put up your user ID and password. So when you put your DAMS user ID password that you get at the time of the admission, and then you log on to the screen, you will see the first screen of the app, which will look like this, where you will have a feed going on, where you will be able to access the updates and the quizzes posted by the teachers. And then you will see at the bottom bar another link for the videos, where you will have access to free videos, medical learning videos. But the most important bar for you is the courses. And look at this third bar. When you click on this courses, the image should look like this. The app screen will look like this. In this, you have to go to a column or a course called as publications. When you click on the publications, you will see Talking CRS listed out like this for you. When you click on any of the Talking CRS, for example, I have clicked on Talking CRS Physiology for you. You have to click on the button here, which I have highlighted for you, which is called as Add to my course. You click it, Add to my course. Before you, if you don't add it to your course, you will not be able to access it. And then you click on this button called as See All. You will be able to see a window like this, in which you will be able to see the ebook for your CRS. In addition to the print copy that you have in your regular course 2019 with us, you will get an ebook and you will see a lot of videos here. And you have to click on this button called as download. This will download that video into your app, into your mobile phone, and you will be able to hear a teacher teach you each chapter one by one. This is unique. This is the India's first such initiative. There is no such initiative anywhere else, where each chapter of your CRS is taught to you by a teacher itself. And then later on, when you press on the side button here, and you can go to this menu here. In this menu, I want you to look at this line saying courses, and all the courses which you have added to your course, add to my course, wherever you have done it, will be available in the my courses section here on the side menu. And this is in addition to the print version of the CRS that you have, and that is unique. And the goal of this Talking CRS is to make your theory so strong that you have no lacunae in your learning. I wish you all the best.